We'll guide you through how to make pie chart animation in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight Motion on your device. Once it is ready, press Create New Project to start a new project. Adjust the project settings according to your preference and choose the setup that fits your editing needs. After completing the setup, select Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the project, press the plus button located below the timeline to add media. Browse through your files and pick the footage that you want to use. Select the footage and import it into the timeline. After the footage has been imported successfully, press the plus button again to add another layer. From the available options, select the pie shape and add it to the timeline. Once the pie shape has been added, open Edit Shape to access its settings. Adjust the radius according to your needs until the pie shape has the size you want. After adjusting the radius, locate the Start Value option and turn on its keyframe. Place the first keyframe at the beginning of the layer. For this tutorial, set the value of the first keyframe to -270 for max value. Next, move forward a few frames on the timeline and add another keyframe. Set the value of the second keyframe according to your preference. For this example, set the second keyframe to 90. Once both keyframes have been added, open the graph editor. Adjust the graph until the animation appears smoother. Continue refining the graph until you are satisfied with the result. After the animation has been completed, select both the footage layer and the pie shape layer. Group mask the two layers together so the animation affects the footage correctly. Play the preview to check the final result and make sure the animation looks as expected. By following every step in the correct order, you have successfully created a pie chart animation in Alight Motion.